Okie ladies and gentlemen, few days have passed and I've been going at this box now. Those of you who can recall the previous video, some of these cards have been put back in a different place because I've been testing some stuff trying to get Linux to boot from a floppy disk whilst the SCSI controller was plugged in. I've been having some trouble getting it to do so. Okay, doing some research online, I've since found there's a spare IDE. I'm not going to be using that. I did actually find the turbo switch. Turbo switch, there we go. And the hard drive LED is this orange cable here. It's now going to the SCSI controller and it does sort of work. I can't really turn it around because of the way it's precariously balanced on my coffee table, but you can see it's now jazzing up this floppy disk, and that hard drive LED will be flashing later on. What I've had to do is actually edit the jumper pins on the I/O controller. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. To disable the floppy drive from the I/O controller. However, I need to keep it enabled in the BIOS. The cable is for the floppy is now going round to the SCSI controller down the back there, as well as the wide SCSI cable here, and it's now booting Tom's floppy Linux like so, and there we go. Login as root, remove the floppy, Alt F1 F4 for consoles is the winning line I've been hoping for the last few days. So login as root, we'll try that. And the default password is XXXX. And then today is what's that? Boom time, the 55th day of the aftermath of Yold 3177. I'm assuming that's some old English style pre-Gregorian calendar date format that he's decided to use, and I've selected the wrong actual display mode. I think there's too many characters on the screen for this card to properly display. So now I'm on the Linux boot. I'm not in MS-DOS, so and now I can do some commands there. So I'm going to have a play with this to see if I can reset the root account on the UNIX box. I'll put another video up later.